In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate web pages in Brave browser. If you regularly browse websites from different countries, there may be times when you come across pages written in a language you don't understand. Fortunately, Brave browser includes a built-in translation feature that makes it easy to convert foreign language content into a language you're comfortable reading. The best part is that you don't need to install any additional extensions or third-party tools. Everything is built directly into the browser, making the process quick, convenient, and beginner-friendly. To begin, launch Brave browser on your computer and open a website that is written in a different language. Once the page has fully loaded, Brave will typically recognize that the content is not in your browser's default language. When that happens, the browser may automatically display a translation prompt. Take a look near the address bar at the top of the browser window. You should see either a translation notification or a translate icon. Click on it to access the available translation options. This will open a small menu that allows you to choose how you would like the page to be translated. Next, select the language you want the web page to be translated into. In many cases, Brave will automatically suggest your preferred language, making the process even faster. However, if you'd like to use a different language, simply choose it from the list of available options. After choosing your preferred language, click the Translate button. Brave will then begin processing the web page and convert the text into the selected language. Depending on the amount of content on the page and the speed of your internet connection, the translation may take a few moments to complete. If the translation prompt does not appear automatically, there's no need to worry. You can manually click the Translate icon located in the address bar at any time. This opens the same translation menu and allows you to translate the current page whenever needed. You may also notice additional options such as Always translate this language or Never translate this language. These settings can be especially helpful if you frequently visit websites that use the same foreign language. Configuring these preferences can save time and streamline your future browsing experience. If a translation does not display properly, try refreshing the web page and translating it again. It's also a good idea to keep Brave browser updated, as newer versions often include improvements to translation quality, accuracy, and overall performance. And that's all there is to it. Translating web pages in Brave browser is a simple and effective way to access information from around the world without language barriers. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.